In the kitchen again with another one with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, guys. Amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipes and ideas and things that you love to make in the kitchen. Anyway, I want to simply say to you, I got some recipe and this recipe is amazing. The flavor, the texture and everything is awesome. I want you guys to tune in, watch the video, leave your comments in the description box because we got so much recipe for you guys. It's just like more than tongue. It's heaven in the mouth. Let's get to there. Anyway, remember to visit my website, chefricardo.co.uk, and also pop over to my website. Alright? Remember to pop over to the website, chefricardo.co.uk. And also remember to leave your comments in the description. Click in the notification bell. Leave your comments. Tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. Big up on yourself, and my respect goes for you every time. Stay blessed. See you next time. Alright. Then cooker on. Alright, we're gonna take some time. Alright, now the beautiful thing is the whole thing I want to share with you with this now, guys, is that you need to have a fat chunk of piece of a ginger like this. Alright, then what you want to do, you want to remove the skin from the ginger. Alright, you can use a peeler and peel the ginger. Alright, you want to remove the skin. Alright, now once you remove the skin from the ginger, you're gonna see exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about. I'm gonna show you what's going on. I will show you that lovely piece of a ginger which I've been using. So, alright, now here it is. This is a nice lovely piece of a ginger. This is like a tablespoon of a ginger with a grater. So this is the amount of ginger right now you need it. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to grate this piece of a ginger now and make you can see exactly what Chef Ricardo talking about. Now, what I like to do, alright, I like to use this side of the grater to grate the ginger. Alright, you can use this side or you can use this side, but I'm gonna use this side. Alright, now when you grate your ginger, you know this little piece, you don't want to cut up a finger, put that straight in the pot. Now I'm going to get, see there, 1 large tablespoon of ginger. Alright. Yeah man. That looking good. Yeah, that looking good guys. Alright. As you can see, That looking really fantastic and amazing right there, as you can see it. Alright. So what I'm gonna do now is get myself some garlic. Alright, let's open up the camera so you guys can see exactly what I want. Alright, yeah. Now we got some garlic. We're going to put inside of it, alright? You know, after Father's Day, you need to detox your body and, you know what I mean, get back yourself on track. Cause you eat a whole lot of food on Father's Day, so yeah. Cause after Father's Day, you have to detox your body, guys, 100%. Alright, see that? These are the garlic. We're going to put in it and make it boil with it. Alright, we need rough about 4 cloves of garlic. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just want to squeeze that. Alright, so once it's crushed them, put them in here. You can grate it or you can press them out. The best way to do it is this way. You just crush them like this, put them straight into it. So roughly we have about 3 cups of water in the pot. Secondly, what I want to simply say to you guys, this drink, you have to make it boil the best way. What I want to say to you now, alright, we got some cloves. If you don't have the cloves, you don't need to put it in it, but the cloves is very good for it. Alright, so we're not gonna put a lot. We're gonna put 1, 2, 3 and 2, 5 cloves inside of it. Alright, beautiful. Cover it and give it a few minutes for it to boil. Alright, lovely. It's finished boil. And what we're gonna do, alright. Now, before we go any further, we've been doing this one over the last couple of nights now. This one is a lover and a dream. This is from the Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice website. If you do not have it, you need to get this one, because we've been doing this over the last few days, and I'm going to show you how to do this one. So basically, all the information is in the description box. You want to just get a teaspoon of it, put it to your glass, just a little bit more. That's the lover and the dream. And this is from the Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice. Alright, this one I will show you another video on that one. Alright, then what you want to do, pour some hot water. That's why I was boiling my kettle, to show you this one, guys. Beautiful. So this one is for you to, if you're at home relaxing, and you know what I mean, you just relax and I take it easy. This one is for you to drink. It's just amazing. Alright, look at that. Look at the color. Alright. Just gonna put this above it to hold it down for a few minutes. Beautiful. Now, this is the bad boy right here. This one. Alright? We're just going to strain it right now. Alright? Yeah. That's proper hot, man. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Oh yeah. Ah. Nice one. Nice one, Chef Ricardo. Now, here it is. You might have wondered why I make so much. Alright? The reason why I make so much of this drink tonight. Okay? What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drink a cup from it now. Alright, guys? I'll probably drink a 2 cup from it. But a 1 cup is very good for you. Okay? The rest of this, what I'm going to do, I'm just gonna leave it over outside. Do not put it in your fridge. In the morning, you know what I mean, if you're working 9 to 5, you just pour a little bit in your cup or back on the stove, warm it up and drink it. Alright? So this is what's gonna happen right now. I'm gonna fill up my cup. I'm just gonna simply show you exactly how it look in the glass right here. Alright? That's why now I'm gonna do it. So yeah, let's pour it out. Alright, yeah, that's the one which I'm going to be drinking. Beautiful. So you want to drink a nice cup. What you want to do? It's a little bit too much in this one. Proper detox tea, this guys. What you want to do now? You just want to put a few cloves in it. Alright, yeah. But so I don't want to have too much in it too. So don't want to have too much in it. So I'll just pour back a little bit in this one. It's beautiful. Alright, yeah. Alright. Secondly, so if you're at home and you feel like you don't have certain kind of ingredients to work with, this is another way you can detox your body also, guys. Alright? You don't need money to detox your body. You can ask your neighbor for a lemon or a piece of a ginger or anything and detox your body. Alright? Now this one is another one which I want to share with you. Very important. Alright? If you're at home and you only have a lemon or a lime, you can use it. Alright? A lemon or a lime. So put a few slices of lemon into the glass. I'm just showing you in the glass because it's more easy for you. And then squeeze a teaspoon of lime juice, alright? Lemon juice. Nice one. And then I can just get a few cloves. This is very important. Put it inside of it like this. This is a proper detoxing tea right here. You can drink this in the morning. In the morning you iron your shirt or your pants and I get yourself together. You can do this, make it go and dissolve into the lemon water, into the water in the meantime. Alright? This one right here. Beautiful for you to drink before you go to bed at night or before you go to work in the morning. Detox your body. Very, very good. Alright guys. Now, I'm just gonna be drinking my one right here. But if you don't have lemon, you can use lime, alright? Because lime is very good also. Guys, we got 120 people watching the video. Please guys, share some love. Let's get the like to 100. Shout out to every one of you guys who are watching. Alright, so it's a beautiful one, as you can see for yourself, alright? Yeah. Fantastic and an amazing recipe from Chef Ricardo today. Beautiful, and I know you guys definitely will appreciate this video right here. Alright, lovely and nice. Alright, as you can see it for yourself. One of a kind from Chef Ricardo Cooking. We got some blueberry right here. So what I'm gonna do is crush the blueberry them. Alright, blueberry is easy to crush. Just squeeze up some of them for now. Alright. This is my blueberry which I have. I'm just gonna simply show you because I have some left over. Alright, what you want to do, you just want to crush the blueberry. Alright, here it is. Once I crush up the blueberry, alright, get some lemon or lime and squeeze it in like this. Roughly about half of a lime. Beautiful one. I get some Jamaican sorrel. If you have any, if you don't have any, you don't have to use it. This is some sorrel. Let's put it straight inside of it. Alright. Yeah. And if you have, if you got some ginger at home, you can use it. Fresh ginger. Alright, if you have some fresh ginger, let's put a little bit in it, not much. And then what you want to do, you want to pour some hot water in it. Alright. So you got the blueberry and some lemon and some sorrel. Alright. Two things, you can either leave it into the water overnight and cool it off in the morning. But I'm just gonna simply show you exactly what you need to do to make this at home, alright? Fresh and relaxing drink. Alright, look at that. That is lovely and nice. Alright guys, so as I say, it's two things you can do. You could either leave it overnight on your counter, or you can leave it during the day and make it cool, and then you can drink it after. An amazing drink. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm going to strain this right now just to make you guys see. Alright. Beautiful. I'm just straining it off right now, guys. Alright. Beautiful drink. Alright, here it is. Now, this one, if you drink it right now, you can taste the flavor and the texture from it. It is fantastic and amazing. Alright, and all you have to do is strain it just like this. Here's a little bit, kind of simple. You know what I mean? Just squeeze it out like this and get the flavor from the blueberry and the sorrel. Lovely drink. As you can see it for yourself. Alright, but I just want to say thank every one of you guys who watch this right here. But as I said, it's beautiful, fantastic, lovely and delicious. But I'm definitely going to do the video on it one day to show you guys exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about, alright? Because for me to explain it, a lot of people not gonna understand it, so I need to do a separate video on this drink right here, alright? So look forward for this drink, the blueberry and sorry, alright? Trust me guys, it's wicked. And not only that, the sorrel come in with that lovely flavor with the blueberry and the ginger and some lime juice.